ಇಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಾವೇರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಬಿಸಿನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ, ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Minimum number of members of form a private company is. The government company is any company in which the paid up capital held by the government is not lesser than carbon monoxide emitted by automobiles directly contributed to. Which of the following do not come under types of illiterates relators? A receipt issued by the commanding officer of ship when the cargo is loaded on the ship is known as. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Dash is an example for extractive industry. The liability of CARTA is. The transactions take place between one business firm with other business firm is. Dash is one type of share issued by the company. Is the process of setting up one's own business. Match the following. Bank document of a company. Debit card. Nutrient retailer. Social responsibilities. Plastic money. Memorandum of association. Final institution. Cheap jacks. Broader than legal responsibilities. Answer the following in one word or one sentence each. Carries 1 mark. Mention any one type of electronic activity. Expand MNC. Who is an insurer? Write one demerit of preference here. What do you mean by international business? Part B. Answer any 9 questions of following questions. 2 9s are 18. Mention any 2 causes of business risk. Define partnership. Write any 2 features of statutory corporation. State any 2 types of life insurance policies. State any 2 benefits of e-business. Give the meaning of environment. Name any 2 stages in formation of a company. State any 2 parameters used to measure size of the business in case of small industries and enterprises. Write the meaning of second-hand goods of. State any 2 difference between domestic business and international business. Part C. Any 7 of the following questions. Explain briefly any 4 characteristics of business. Briefly explain any 4 benefits of joint venture. State any 4 difference between goods and service. Explain briefly the ways of payment in online transactions. Explain briefly any 4 elements of business ethics. Briefly Explain the feasibility studies conducted by the promoters in the promotion stage of companies. Write short note on equalities shares, dividends, written for merits of retained earnings as source of business finance. Explain briefly any four problems faced by small business. Briefly explain any four services of wholesale to manufacturer. Part D. Explain the merits and limits of the slope proprietorship from a business organization. Part D. You should write any two questions. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿ.